Agility is one of those big buzzwords today. You know, when you're out talking with, in our case, manufacturers or just people in the business world. You know, do we have an agile organization? Can we handle change? Can we change gears? Can we switch? Can we, adapt? Where agility is maybe the ability to adapt or change, much like change leadership, change management. Resiliency, in my mind, is sort of the ability to maintain the change that you're making, or when you experience change, to be able to sort of bounce back from that change. A previous colleague of mine liked to use the phrase bouncing forward, if you will. And something happens and you get shocked by it, you overcome by it. Resiliency is the ability to sort of bounce back and come back from that. I enjoy as well about the model, not only about how we sort of interact with folks, but there's an element of sort of our internal optimism, our worldview, if you will. And if we tend to be glasses half empty or glasses half full, kind of folks, and ultimately that's based off of some kind of worldview. We tend to think, oh, the world's out to get me, or there's great opportunity and I can take advantage of it or be part of it.